Hi guys, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see in the title down below, today's video is on a festive makeup look. So this will be the whole look and I'm going to show you how I did this with what all products and everything else. I won't be showing all the products, but I'll be telling you the names and also links of all the products will be given in the description box. So discussing further about the video, this look is going to be a very festive, smoky, shimmery eye look as you can see right now. So it will be a very glowy, glittery makeup look with all that blush, highlighters and everything. So I hope this video will be helpful for you to create a similar kind of makeup look. Today I'm wearing this beautiful kurta by Neo, which is a brand from Myntra. I'll give the link of the kurta in the description box. Wait to see the proper haul video of all the ethnic that I got for the coming festive season. This is the festive makeup look. I hope you enjoy the video. By the end of the video, I will be attaching a clip where I will be showing you the whole look of the kurta, the makeup, the jewelry and everything. So if you want to watch that, then keep watching this video. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. I have already primed and moisturized my face. So the first thing that we are going to do today is concealing. So I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette. Just I'm going to take the product on my beauty blender and start. I'm going to conceal the above part also so that my product, the eyeshadow, sits very well into my skin. All these areas I'm going to conceal later when I'll be applying the foundation, because now I'm moving on straight to my eyes. This is the palette that I again want to give a shout out to. It's the Beauty People's Blowout Eyeshadow palette and it's a really highly pigmented palette and has such beautiful shimmer shades as you can see here. Very highly pigmented shades. I'm going to use this shade today, which matches a bit with the shimmer blue on my kurta. For the crease area, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow palette in the number 05. I'll be taking this brown shade, this brown one.
Here I'll be using the light brown color on my crease to give it that perfect shape, and I'll smoothly blend it. Then I'll be using the Blowouts palette shimmer blue color and place it on my lid. And then smoothly blend it with the brown color on the eyeshadow to give it that perfect smoky and shimmery effect. Blending is really important as blending makes or breaks your game. I took this silver shade from the same eyeshadow palette to place it on the inner corners of my eyes so that my eyes look even brighter. Now I'll be taking the brown and blue color, a mix of brown and blue, to do the lower lash line. As we have applied the eyeshadow, now I'll be taking back my concealer and apply it on my face and the inner corners of my eyes where the little bit of eyeshadow has fallen, and all onto the dark areas near my lips and nose.
Now I'm going to apply the foundation. For the foundation, I'm using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation.
I'll take the foundation onto my hand and then via Beauty Blender I'll be making the dots on my face as you can see, and then blend it as the dots make the game easier. Never ever forget to apply the foundation onto your neck, because if your neck looks darker than your face, then it's a no-no. So make sure you apply the foundation onto your neck as well. Mascara that I'm using today is the Total Temptations mascara by Maybelline. This is a really good mascara as it makes your lashes look fuller and longer. For doing my eyebrows, I'm taking this black and brown shade from the same eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. I'll be mixing the two and then doing my eyebrows. Always apply a compact powder after your foundation and concealer so that your face sets well. Here I am using the Maybelline's White Super Fresh Compact. I am applying it with the same sponge that came with it. You can also use a powder brush. I am applying the blush by Sugar in the shade Pink Pinnacle. I'll be applying it in the circular motions. Festive makeup look is all about that freshness and glow. What better than a highlighter can give you that glow? Here I am using the Maybelline's Molten Chrome highlighter. I really love this highlighter as it's highly pigmented and gives you that extra shine that you need on your festive day. Here I am applying the highlighter onto my cheeks, to my nose, to my lips, to my brow bone for all that extra glow and freshness that the highlighter brings with it. This is like my thing. I always prefer setting my face with a beauty blender as it absorbs all the excess makeup that is on your skin. The lipstick, I am using this Maybelline lipstick from the Creamy Mattes range. This is in the shade Pink My Red. As the lipstick is too pinky, I prefer smudging it with the fingers of my hand. As this is a creamy lipstick, to make it look matte, I use the Elegance Matte Lipstick by Blue Heaven in the shade 11 as a topper. This lipstick makes sure that it gives that extra shine to your lips and make them purely matte. Last but not the least, a makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty, and you are done for the day. Always shake the makeup fixer before using. This is the spray one, so all you have to do is just spray it on your face and you are done.
So guys, this was all for the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep loving me, keep supporting me, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.